Guys, di ko lang kung nagpapatawa na naman ba si Poco o hindi. Look at this one. Poco M7. This is still sporting a Snapdragon 685 na matagal na dapat nilang nilibing. This chipset is so old, ang dami ng restriction sa processing, sa camera, and 4G lang siya, wala siyang 5G, and the list goes on. And I don't care if it's a 7,000 mAh na battery, pero yung performance sa 685, it's long ago. I think this is still a 2021 na chip pa, and they're still using it. I know na overstock ka ng 685, but please stop releasing phones with a Snapdragon 685. It's so old na I'm not sure no kung would it still be able to game kay papaano, kasi malamang sasabihin nyo this is a good performing phone, a gaming phone, pero yung performance alam naman natin 685 pinagsawa na natin to, no? It's just like the G99 sa MediaTek, pero kay papaano sa G200 medyo mas improve compared to the 685. It's still a 685, no? So kayo guys, what do you think about this one? Are you willing to buy it at 7,499? Kahit naka 5,699, I think it's still expensive para sa akin. Probably if it's going to be priced at around mga 3,000-4,000, maybe pwede pa. Pero kayo guys, ano tingin nyo dito sa phone nito? Overpriced or not? O dapat nang nilibing na sa limot si 685? Let me know in the comments.